What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're out in LA still, of course. You know, we didn't go home yet. We're at a car meet, a little midday meet. I think it's from about 12 to 3 p.m. and you guys see exactly what they got going on here. This is no joke down here, man. You don't see this too often where we're from. I probably keep saying that in videos, but honestly, like, this is just so cool. Like, check out this Supra here, man. This thing looks incredible. Got this R33 here. You know, this is just midday in LA. Like I said, 12 to 3. Nothing too crazy. Loving the color on this thing. No worries, boss. This is Supras. This is just, I love that. With the carbon too. It's Porsche here. Wow. Everything. And check this out. I'm gonna show you guys a little something. Look at the underbody of this thing. So clean. For those that don't know, they don't deal with rust over here like how we end up having to deal with rust up in Canada. So it's a whole different game. Not rust specifically. I guess you could say salt. Right?
Garage clean. But yeah, I am worried about that cracking.
And one of my boys actually met down here the other day, put me on this meet. He let me know something was happening, you know, sent me the address, and I can't thank him enough, man. This is the kind of thing that I'm trying to see down here. I'm trying to get in tune with the culture. You know what I'm saying? Tatiana too. You know, she's out here enjoying the view. This is different, man. Crazy. I can't think of the ratio of cars where you see one showstopper that you see here back home. You know what I'm saying? If you guys get what I'm trying to say here, but wow. For every 10 of these cars here, there's probably maybe one nice one, if even, like these in Canada. This one's got hydraulics on it. Home under the hood. Parlor here. That's fun. Yeah. This one's on bags?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's on bags. I didn't grow up with all the hydros.
Okay.
I'm just more like a safe type of guy, you know?
I got you.
Safe and sorry, even though bags do pop.
Yes.
But very rare do they pop.
Yes, that's right, man. Yeah, man, this thing, it looks beautiful. My goodness.
All built in my garage.
Okay.
Except for the paint, except for the windshield. And
Okay.
all the windows are brand new.
Got you.
And exhaust. Everything else is done by you.
Man, that's so cool.
Powder coated frame. Suspension chrome.
Frame and
Everything on
everything.
this car was taken apart and put back together.
Wow.
My garage. 4 years.
That's amazing, man. That's amazing to see. Good work. Yeah. Check that out, man. Quality of work. Everything in his garage. That's what you like to see. Some mirrors under here. You know what that means? Okay, the air tank is underneath the rear of the car. See the air tank? This is some work, guys. This is some work. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know. Look, man. I think I need my car out here. Let me show you this row before we kind of make our way inside. Something to appreciate. Don't matter what you're into, there's something to appreciate out here. You guys have seen these, man, but you can see them again. Can't get enough of this. Cannot get enough of this.
But they all like coordinated. I guess it's like the first time.
What do you guys think? Honestly, let me know. What's your favorite? You guys know the deal. Whenever you're watching a car video with me, you gotta drop down in the comment section below what your favorite is. Thank you, brother. Wide, and it's got the OG mirrors you see on the fenders, right? I like that concept. That's cool. And check out how the wing on this thing actually comes down to the rear quarter panel. It's not just on the rear deck lid or anything like that. It comes down to the quarter panel. So it's 3 separate pieces making up the rear lip or the wing. Man, that's cool. Check out the bike in the Tacoma. Scooter, bike. It looks like candy apple red. Big tires. What size are these? What size are these? KO3s. 315, 75, 16. Okay. This type R in this color, man. I thought I liked the white type R's, man. This blue, I like this blue. I don't think I've seen it in this color before. At least probably not paint. This is like the S2K bay. Wow. This one got that work. Did you guys see me in an S2K? I think I can see Tatiana driving an S2K for sure. Yeah. Wow. The rear of this thing is different. It's got the over fenders in the rear, the quarter panel. I think the whole top, yeah, the whole top is a different concept too, coming down. Also with that wing. Let's check it out. This is a regular body. Okay. See how the top is and how the wing is, you know? Still a huge wing mounted up. But yeah, the rear of that one's just totally different. Man, man, man. These guys really do it out here, man. This ain't no joke. I said it before. It ain't no joke in LA, man. You guys see the S2K bay. Right? I'm gonna have to thumbnail this right here. We'll see. We'll see. Wow. So I'm learning, but it looks like the S2K kind of specialized shop. Is that right? Specialized shop. Yeah, there you go. Looks like they got lots of S2K parts here. Engines to suspension components, aftermarket accessories, all around the board. You guys see the table, exhaust up there. Stuff here. Really cool. So